Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. In order to do that, go into Play Store. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When your new apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Tap on Default Apps. And finally, tap on one of those options. In my case, Browser App. Lastly, tap on your downloaded one that you wish to apply. And when you are finished, click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!